Off-the-grid campers, what are we doing up on top of the camper? Well, the only thing up here apart from the air conditioning is the solar panels. So in this video, we're looking at how to clean the solar panels. They do, obviously similar to your household ones, become inefficient with dust and dirt and you know, bird poop on there as well. So you got to clean it off. Don't rely on the rain to try and clean them. So we just want to show you the correct method of doing that, because there are a few little quirks, such as don't use anything abrasive on them. So we've got like a microfiber lint-free cloth. Also don't use products like Windex because they have ammonia in them, and that's a problem for these panels, as it is for all panels. So to start the process, because these are a little dirty, you just want to clean that layer of dirt and dust off just with some water. Don't add detergent to it, because again it leaves a film on top of the panels which can reduce their efficiency. Just water. And then just wipe off that initial layer of dirt. That'll get most of it off, but of course it won't be super clean until you do the second step. You probably want to make sure you're doing this inside as well, with the panels cool. You don't want hot panels, because the next step is to use IPA, which is isopropyl alcohol. So Isocol is one such product, and that just gets it to another layer of clean. So just some paper towels, and I'll just wipe off first before I put the IPA on. I'll just wipe off the excess water. And in using the isopropyl alcohol, again, if you were using it outside in the heat, it would just flash dry. So you don't want to be outside doing this. I mean, you can be outside, just don't do it until it's cooled off, maybe at the end of the day or early in the morning. So get a fresh paper towel for the next step. And then just put your isopropyl alcohol on there. And clean away, and you'll see it dries very, very quickly. And you can tell when these are clean because with the white paper towel, you'll get basically no dirt residue on them. So don't be afraid to use a few, just get another one till you get it really clean. And that's basically done. That's the second step. I'm not going to do the third step, which is you can use ceramic. See, that's perfectly clean. You can use a ceramic coating such that would use on a car like a Rain-X or a Meguiar's, but you don't use those products on a solar panel. You would need a specific solar branded and formulated ceramic coating to keep it cleaner and dirt and dust free. So it will save you cleaning them for longer. Just make sure you get solar only product, because if you use the car products, the car ceramic cleaners, you risk turning it into a cloudy mess because they're not designed to deal with the heat of solar panels. So look, step 1 and 2 is sufficient to clean them. If you want to go that extra step, maybe a product like Supermax you can buy for the solar ceramic coating. Otherwise, just be happy with doing it like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.